I want to show you the SEO for the homepage and SEO for your homepage.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Will be handled differently from the SEO for the rest of your site, okay? And many people get this a little bit wrong, or well, some people get it a lot wrong, but we'll get it right, okay? So I want to show you what happens. This is my sort of default installation where I haven't touched SEO yet, and I'm going to show you basically the defaults. So I'm going to go to View, Developer, and View Source. And depending on your browser, you may have to navigate to the view source in a different way. This is Chrome. But, anyway, all browsers offer view source. And what we're looking for here is the title and description tag. And I'm going to show you what they are. Title. See how right now this is taken from the header, okay? News and expert opinions from social and environment issues. Okay, whatever. And we're also looking, so the title meta tag, okay? This is in your header. And we're also looking for the description. The description meta tag, okay? And that just also from the that is also from the header, okay? And I just want to show you that there's other title tags, description tags. Description, then there is this OG. It's another kind of a meta tag, but you see it's the same. It's for Twitter, there's one, and that one's this is not part of that. And then I want to show you, so for the title, there's like 37. So one title meta tag, okay? So we want to edit these. The way I want to edit this is SEO, title, and metas. And you get to control your homepage. And so these are variables, right? And you want to say something else. So you want to say, you want to have this keyword, you want to have it keyword rich, right? So you want to have your brand in there. So let's keep that site name. But let's take the rest of these out. So maybe let's say, what do we want to say? In my case, what are the okay, and just for the example's sake, we'll have these unique things here so that when I click Save Changes, you will be able to see how that affects the homepage. Because the homepage has the most sort of effect of, the most control. Well, it's the number one sort of your strongest SEO page typically for most pages. So let's kill that, because close this page, because it's all. Let's refresh this page, and then let's take the source from this and see how it was changed. See how the title that we had set is this title, and you see how, if we go description, expert interviews and opinions on the environment, politics, and social good. See how, so it's no longer taking the defaults, but it's taking the things that we instructed it. And I think that the maximum limit here is 140 characters, and the maximum limit here is about 70 characters. So that's kind of how you control the SEO of your homepage. Also, of course, you want to have, a lot of content. So maybe many of the keywords that will remain here, like these keywords, like keywords here that are going to be the same for all pages, should be certainly your categories are keywords, right? So they're always going to appear. These are all things you should kind of control a little bit in order to add extra keywords that people might search for, and they might find your site, and that are relevant keywords for your site. So, but the most important ones are the title and meta and description meta tags. But there's also these kind of blurbs and all kinds of keywords all around your site. So don't forget about that. And that's kind of how you control the homepage, the SEO, the on-page SEO for your homepage.